In this lesson, we're looking at equivalent fractions. So these are two fractions that are worth the same amount. Okay, so in this case, we have two diagrams. Now, in both cases, a fraction has been shaded in that is worth exactly the same. If you were to overlap them, they would be equal. And if we use the classic examples of pizza, whether you were given the purple slice on the left-hand side or the three purple slices on the right, you would have the same amount. Okay, so what fractions have we got? Well, in this first circle, it's been equally divided into 4 parts. So we write that as our denominator. And one part has been shaded in purple. So we have 1 out of 4, or 1/4. Now on the right hand side, we have a circle of the same size that's been equally divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 parts, or twelfths. And in this case, we have 1, 2, 3 twelfths that have been shaded in. So these are our equivalent fractions. You'll also notice that whatever has happened to this bottom number, the denominator, in this case multiplied by 3, 4 multiplied by 3 equals 12, is also what's happened to our top value, our numerator. It's multiplied by 3. So we know 1/4 is equal to 3/12. Now in our second example down here, we also have it represented with bars. So again, we're going to look at 3 different fractions here that are equal to each other. In the first bar, we can see that the bar has been equally divided into 1, 2, 3 equal parts, or thirds, and one of those has been shaded. Now we can see here with a dotted line down the screen roughly that the second bar has the same amount shaded in, but it's represented in a different way, because in this case it's been divided into not 3 but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equal parts. So we're working with sixths, and we can see here that 2 of those sixths have been shaded in green. So 1/3 is equal to 2/6. So we need to now look at this third bar and see if we can work out what the equivalent fraction would be. Now I can see that's been divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 parts. So we're working with twelfths again. So using that dotted line that I've added, we should be able to shade in an equivalent amount. There we go. And I can see, looking at that diagram, that I have 1, 2, 3, 4 parts that have been shaded in. So 4/12. Again, you will notice the same thing, that whatever has happened between these two denominators, in this case times by 2, has also happened to my numerators. In this case, times by 2 again.